Gats, man. I can fucking spit a rap when I go like aluminum. Niggas is fucking through with him. I'm fucking balling like a star in the sky because I'm fluid when I'm spitting. Nigga got it like ink, never written. These niggas talking about they can talk a lot, but these niggas never talk about what matters though. I'm like, bro, where you at? The shit matters though. Like these niggas not rapping with a nigga because it happens though in the streets. Niggas don't know me, but I'm RVD. I got my YPE niggas over here as HERE. Right there. Niggas might catch a play like coach. Niggas know Rob, no joke. I smoke pokes, no I don't, but I get off the gas dope. These niggas know I'm John Doe, Hancock, get an autograph. Niggas know it's man down like these niggas. Oh, where I started at, damn, Klondike, niggas got bars. So I'm like, what's up, bro? You bitch want the hard. God, niggas know I'm I got my niggas racing at the top. AT&T, niggas know me. I can go by ROB or Mr. T. That's Thursday, but you didn't know that. My bitch wanna bend over and throw the throat back. Makes sense. How she gonna bend over, throw the throat back when I gotta go back and recite raps? These niggas don't know what I'm going at. These niggas smoke brown like cognac. Check my boots. Niggas know Rob the truth. I can fucking spit it like I lost a tooth. Niggas don't know me. Ferris in the booth. I'm like, fuck, you niggas not street, niggas not me. Niggas don't know, but they want beef, I got meat. Niggas know I'm like fucking sucking on teats. Niggas like, you in the white teeth, you fresh as fuck, you sleep. I'm like, yeah, I know. What's up? Can we take pics? They like, nah, but I'm like, nigga, why you on my dick? Fresh as fuck. I said, alright, dog, but your bitch wanted it in the butt. I had to cover her. Niggas know I'm awkward, but I don't give a fuck about no hoe. I could cuss a lot, so don't use no discretion. I was like, damn, Rob spit gas like a Smith & Wesson. I was like, what's up, bro? Where you at? They said I'm at the spot. I said, alright, what's up? When you coming back? I need grass. They like, alright, what's up? I'm busy, I'm at Walmart. I was like, bro, cool. I need powder like a fucking dog park. Fuck man. Niggas know I get like niggas know I'm tight like a fucking strong. Niggas know I'm in the sky like flight. Niggas know I don't fight. I ain't no dog, but these niggas get mauled. I was like, yo, I might go buy you bitch at the mall. I take it to this camera because this is ours. Niggas know Robbo got the fucking power. Niggas bright like a flower. Niggas know that I'm cooking them up like some flour. Niggas know I might have to go electrocute niggas with power. Damn, Robbo not soft, these niggas got balls if they think they rapping with me. I was like, what's up, bro? Do you want to change your destiny? Because before I was here, you had a chance to live, but now I'm about to kick you out like I was mad at my kid. Damn, fucking top. Niggas know I'm fucking hot. That's what these niggas not. They done got me heated. Niggas like, yo, Rob, how you undefeated? I was like, dog, did you meet me? They like, nah, but do you want to go to Tahiti? Vacation. Niggas know that. These niggas be hating. I'm saying everything that's off the top of my head. Damn, I don't like bitches. Maybe I'm racist. Fuck it, I'm spitting. Niggas done got them heated.